beauties. Just having myself an ice cold beer that I put in the freezer for an hour and a half. I set the timer and it's like a beer slushy. And what makes it so good, it has lime in it. So happy summer. Hope you're enjoying your summer. And let's get on with the video.
How's my girls? Today I'm wearing this hot pink polish called Flashy, and it's by LA Colors, and it's a gel polish. You know, you don't use any UV or any machines, you just put it on, and it's a pretty color. It's a very pretty color. Also, I have these brushes in front of me, and if you've ever tried a Sephora brush, you know what I'm talking about. They are fabulous. They're dense, they're smooth, they perform unbelievable. And this is the Pro Angled Brush. This is the Pro Featherweight Powder. And this is the Precision Powder. I just used them in a video. That's why I have them in on my desk, because they are just fabulous brushes. If you haven't given Sephora brushes a try, I would, because I love them. And the foundation brush is out of this world. I don't have it up here, but the foundation brush is amazing. And the concealer I used today was by Benefit. It's called BOI-ING. And it's a hydrating concealer, and I have it in two colors. I have it in 1 and 2. I like 2 better. It's a little more my skin tone, but I'll show you. Number 1 and number 2. Now, they are very, very hydrating, because they have the concealer in the core of the stick. They look like a chapstick, but they have this center core is the concealer, and the outside is the moisturizer. Very, very cool, and very, very moisturizing. It's a great product. Okay, so I just put a little bit here, a little bit there. I use the number 2, and I will use my little triangle. This is amazing. And you could turn the strap. If you use this side and it's got makeup on it, you could use the other side. Just turn the strap over. Okay, so there you go. Boop, boop. Actually, even with your finger, it just works right with your finger. And then I'll pat it. 2 great products. Also, I'm wearing this mascara by Essence today. The one with the like purple puffy paint rubber cap. And it's amazing, because you see my eyelashes, in my bottom lashes, you see this curve? That's when you really want to get in there. It pushes your lashes up, and then you go like this. And my bottom lashes are as long as my top lashes. Look at that. This is good mascara. This is really good mascara, girls. This is so good. And it doesn't smear. It lasts all day. It doesn't flake. I love this. I found this product online. I found it was Revlon, and it was a black container. So I kept looking, and I found this white container. So I bought the white one, and I bought another cute one. I'll show you. This one. Okay. It is a volcano rock, a stone, and it is to absorb any oils that you have on your face. Midday or in the evening, instead of touching up with more makeup, you just roll this across. It doesn't take your makeup off, but it absorbs the grease and the oil. Now this one is by Heroin. I don't know who this is by, but I'll put the link down below. This one is by Heroin Mini Remove Oil and Fix Makeup All at Once. Okay, I bought this because this looks cute. It has the little rock, volcanic rock. It swirls around, all around, so you could go like this at any point midday and touch up your makeup. It's like powdering your nose, only without the powder. I think it's a cute concept, that it can absorb oil. So I would definitely give that a try. I will put both of them down below, plus the Revlon one. And it says, in the afternoon when oil begins to form on your face, it's okay to use on top of makeup. Gently massage the ball on your face to thoroughly eliminate greasiness and leave your skin feeling soft and matte. I would just use it as a massage ball. That's what they're saying, to massage your face. That's pretty good though, to massage your face. Also, to remove oil and not your makeup when you're out for the day. It's a product made with natural volcanic stone, developed to make morning makeup last, adding resilience and help makeup to hold. Well, also using it as a touch-up. So they seem to have a lot of uses for it. So, I mean, it does give you a finished look. I'm telling you, it's pretty good. Okay, so that's what I want to show you. This is by Estee Lauder, and it is called, it's the a company within Estee Lauder called ESTEE Edit. It's kind of like younger and hipper. And this is the Flash Photo Kit. It's got a lip gloss that has a cool blue that helps your teeth flash selfie white. It has a Flash Photo Powder, which has blue hued powder, brightens skin, so you're always ready for every selfie. Let's see. This is the lip gloss. It has a blue hue to make your teeth white. I will just put that on. Give me a blue hue. It is nice and glossy, and it gives you that chromatic. Can be worn over anything. And let me show you this. I'll tell you right now, I love it. It's adorable. It's called the Flash Photo Powder, and the color is 01 Blue Bright. And look at the color. It is blue. But when you put it on your face, it just diffuses your skin, and it makes everything even and photo ready. Now I already have it on because I already did this video. So we can't see a before and after right now. You put this on and everything will be even. I don't know if you could tell, but definitely on the face, you could definitely see a big difference. And if you take a lot of selfies or pictures or just in real life, it really makes your face evened out. And that's really what we want. Don't we want it just evened out? So look, this is more of a pinpoint brush. And this is the big powder brush, and this is the more detailed. I'll tell you what I think, and I could see this up close. This is It's blue there, but it's not blue on my face. The part that's blue is the part that you can't see. It's the part that blurs. It's really, really cool. Really, really cool. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. I'll put a link down below for this little ESTEE edit kit. It wasn't expensive. That's why I just bought the little kit. I didn't want to invest in the full product until I saw how it worked. But it works great. What else do we have? Oh, I bought these hand sanitizers in Home Depot. They were $1 each, so I grabbed 1 or 2. When I got to the register, they were 25 cents. So I went back, I bought 10 more. And they're alcohol free and they kill 99.9% germs. So it's a real bargain. Especially, we're not going to stop using hand sanitizers. We're not going to stop. We're going to keep using this. And being that it's alcohol free makes it that much better. So much better. And there's no odor. There's no smell. Unscented. Perfect. You know, I was afraid. I bought 10 of them and then I said, oh, they're probably cheap because they smell horrible. Because sometimes I'm on the checkout line and there's some hand sanitizers cheap and then I smell them and I go, ah, ooh. But no, this is unscented. It's perfect. Perfect. So, what else do we have? This is great. This is LA strip lights. If you are looking for, for inexpensive, 16 feet long for $6.99. These LED strip lights, they change, they turn all different colors. It's got the outlet, and then it looks like this. And you just peel off the backing and you stick it onto any surface, and then your whole room just lights up. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love these, and I'll put a link down below for them. They're really good. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful week. Remember, I love you, and pray for everybody. And I'll see you in my next video.